Tell me something, what do you do to maintain your well-being? Scrolling through your social media or doing some retail therapy are just temporary fixes. But have you ever tried looking beyond that?
To truly nurture a balanced mind and body, it's important to understand the 5 dimensions of well-being. A holistic approach to health, wealth, love, bliss, and spirituality works together to cultivate harmony and balance in life, supporting the human body's physical, mental, and emotional needs. Each aspect shows how everything in our life is connected, both within us and around us, helping us create a deeper, more meaningful experience of life. So, how do you do that? To truly experience holistic well-being, I visited Swastik Wellbeing, a serene sanctuary nestled in the peaceful embrace of Peacock Valley, Pune. More than just a wellness center, Swastik is a thoughtfully curated space where ancient wisdom meets modern well-being. Each element here is thoughtfully crafted by seasoned experts and masters to cultivate a harmonious blend of balance, growth, and well-being with different vihars within the sanctuary, designed for healing, relaxation, reflection, and spiritual growth to support your well-being journey. Drawing from the timeless wisdom of ancient Vedas and Puranas, their approach focuses on nurturing the key aspects of life to foster true fulfillment. At Swastik, the healing process starts with a thorough diagnostic test to understand your body on a deeper level. From this point begins your healing journey, guided by a holistic and personalized approach tailored to your unique needs.
So the healing again goes to the traditional way of healing with Ayurvedic sciences, naturopathy sciences and yogic sciences. If you see how a disease surfaces to the body, the toxification starts from the cellular level. So the cell is affected, then it affects the tissue. After the tissue, or organ is affected. After the organ, the system gets affected. And finally what we get is the symptoms in the physical body. So in order to reverse it, we have to detox the body from the cellular level. And that is where Panchakarma, naturopathic way of detox, yogic way of detox, they help. So we help it from the cellular level. So cleansing process starts from the cellular level, which is the origin for any ailment to surface at the body level.
From the halotherapy and rejuvenating yoga sessions to soothing massages, every experience is thoughtfully customized to support your well-being and restore balance. One of the bigger highlights at Swastik Wellbeing is the cuisine. Crafted with care, inspired by naturopathic and Ayurvedic principles, and designed to nourish both the body and the soul.
So at Swastik, what we are just doing and how we want people to eat. We just don't want people to just follow either any naturopathy or Ayurveda, but we want at Swastik that yes, there is more than that. There is a full varieties of food, and those are real pure food concept. So we are believing on the pure food concept. So when we are planning, so we thought, okay, can we stick to one principle? Can we stick to one body type? Can we stick to one kind of a healing process? No. At Swastik, it's very open. People should be happy.
A beautiful practice here is the simple yet profound act of praying before meals and putting aside all distractions, allowing for a more enriching dining experience. My time at Swastik not only deepened my journey towards holistic healing, but also provided a much needed pause to reconnect with nature, unwind, and simply be present in the moment. What do you think of this amazing place? Share your views below and follow Shosha for more such content.